You invested in crypto at the right moment, and now it's time to take your profits. You want to cash out quickly or invest in something reliable and stable, so you are thinking about real estate in Dubai. But is it possible to invest your crypto in Dubai properties? Is it hard to do? And how does the step-by-step process look like? Today I'll explain how taxation works, how and what you can buy with crypto, and where to invest in the Dubai market based on your crypto budget. Many of our clients have been in similar situations, so we can share some unique insights. But first, is buying Dubai real estate with crypto even legal? Unlike many other countries, crypto is well regulated in Dubai. In 2022, they established a Virtual Asset Regulatory Authority, or VARA. Its main goal is to maintain transparency in crypto transactions and protect investors. So VARA requires businesses who are dealing with crypto to obtain special licenses and prohibits anonymous transactions. Fast forward a couple of years and crypto has become a routine part of doing business in Dubai. Between July 2023 and June 2024, the UAE received over $30 billion in crypto. On average, 500,000 unique daily crypto traders conduct transactions. And recently, the Dubai court even ruled that salaries can be legally paid in cryptocurrency. And of course, buying property with crypto is now common. There are 4 main ways to do this, so let's go through them one by one, starting with a local bank transfer. To use this method, you first need to become a UAE resident. Now some might think it doesn't really make sense because you plan to buy real estate with crypto to get residency. Here's the thing. Normal residency, not a golden visa, is not that hard to get and doesn't require buying real estate. Some of the easiest ways to do this are A. Establishing a company and employing yourself, B. Finding someone who already has a company and who can hire you, and C. Getting a digital nomad visa if you have employment with a minimum salary of $3,500, or if you own a business generating at least $5,000 in monthly income outside the UAE. When you obtain residency, you can apply for an Emirates ID. This is the official identification document in the UAE and a crucial step in moving to the next stage, opening a bank account, which is impossible to do for non-residents. Note that the process of opening a bank account might not be smooth, especially if you come from a country that may raise compliance concerns. Banks can issue additional checks, request tons of documents, and thoroughly review everything. All of this can take a lot of time, and once it's done, you can move to step 3, transferring funds to your bank account. To do this, you'll need an account with a UAE licensed crypto exchange, such as Binance, Bybit, or others. The process involves transferring your crypto to the exchange wallet, converting it to fiat currency, and withdrawing it to a bank account. But don't expect your bank to be excited about receiving crypto money. Since you won't have any prior history with the bank, they'll be extra cautious. Transferring large amounts of money will almost certainly cause issues with the bank. This makes the whole scheme not really convenient for those looking to buy property. So let's get to the second option: cash out in Dubai and buying the property in cash. This method requires you to visit physical exchange points. Dubai has plenty of those, and you should only use those licensed by the Virtual Assets Regulatory Authority. Then you do the exchange, lose a little bit on the conversion, and get the local currency, dirhams. However, the bad news is that the transaction limit is around $15,000, unless you're okay with the transaction being reported to the UAE Financial Intelligence Unit. They will run checks and may request additional documentation. But the next method is more convenient. It's using a manager's check. Here's how it works. First, you find a company that acts as an intermediary between you, the buyer, and the developer, the seller. The company's role is to handle the conversion of your cryptocurrency into fiat money and facilitate the payment. Second, you do the transfer. The company provides you with a wallet address or a QR code to scan. You then transfer the needed amount of crypto directly to the company. Third, this company issues a manager's check. A manager's check is a guaranteed form of payment issued by a bank, ensuring that the funds are available. So basically, they provide such check to the developer, so the developer deposits it and gains access to the money. All the developers accept such checks, so this method allows to use crypto to buy from any developer. The not so great part is that such service isn't free. You'll need to pay approximately 1 to 2% commission to the intermediary for their assistance. And this brings us to method number 4, paying directly to the developer using crypto. This method is as easy as it sounds. You simply send the requested amount of crypto to the developer's wallet. Once the developer confirms that the money is received, the transaction is considered done. However, the option only works with the developers who accept crypto as a payment. Thankfully, the list of such developers is growing and now includes prominent names like Emirates, Damag, Ellington, Shoba, Benghazi, and many others. These developers currently offer projects that are particularly appealing to crypto investors. But before we dive into that, let's talk about taxes. Dubai's tax landscape is incredibly investor-friendly. First, no capital gains tax. Dubai doesn't impose any capital gains tax on the sale or purchase of assets, including real estate bought with cryptocurrency. This means that when you convert your crypto into property, you won't owe any taxes on the gains you've made from your crypto investments. Second, no personal income tax. Whether you are earning income from employment, business activities, or rental income from your property, Dubai doesn't tax personal income. So if you decide to rent out your property, that rental income is entirely tax-free in Dubai. The only significant fee you'll face is the 4% property transfer fee charged by the Dubai Land Department, or DLD. This fee applies regardless of whether you're paying in cash, bank transfer, or crypto. To enjoy all the benefits of Dubai's tax haven, you'll need to get Residency. We've already discussed some ways to do this when talking about opening a bank account. But for crypto investors planning to purchase property, the most straightforward way is to obtain a golden visa. And the good news, it doesn't take long. The UAE Golden Visa is a 10-year residency visa. You don't need to stay in the UAE to maintain it. It allows you to open a bank account, enroll your children in the local school, and include family members such as your spouse, children of any age, and even your parents. To qualify, you must spend a minimum of 2 million dirhams, which is approximately 546,000 US dollars on real estate. But recent updates have made this even better. Now you don't have to spend this amount in full. What you need to do is to purchase property directly from a developer with a flexible payment plan. Once you make a 20% down payment and pay the 4% DLD fee, you qualify for the Golden Visa. This means you don't need to wait for the property to be completed or pay the full amount up front. With an investment of just around 130,000 US dollars, you can get your visa really quick. But if you are currently a tax resident of another country, things may get more complicated. To get Dubai's taxation benefits, you'll likely need to exit your existing tax residency. In some cases, spending 183 days abroad is enough to lose your tax residency. In others, you pay taxes in your home country until you exit your citizenship. US investors know this best. You should also be aware of retrospective taxation rules in some countries. If you exit UK tax residency, sell your crypto, and then return as a resident within 5 years, you would be liable for capital gains tax on those profits. But some countries have regulations that might help you. For example, in Germany, if you hold your crypto for more than 12 months, any gains are tax-free, regardless of the amount. Please note that the information provided in this video is not tax, financial, or legal advice. You should consult with accountants and lawyers for personalized guidance. And now, let's do a quick rundown of potential investments that might be especially attractive for crypto investors. If you find these options interesting or want to learn about other opportunities in the Dubai real estate market, feel free to reach out to us. I have a hardcore team of real estate experts who will help you find the perfect property, run all the numbers, assist with the purchase, and support you every step of the way. Scan the QR code, click the link below, or drop us a message on WhatsApp to tell us how we can help. For example, you might be looking to quickly cash out by purchasing a property. So here are two very strong developers you should pay attention to. First, Benghazi. Benghazi is a vertically integrated developer, meaning they manage everything in-house. This allows them to build projects extremely quickly, which I would say is their main feature. Typically, their project takes 18 to 24 months to complete, and they usually start selling once the foundation has already been laid. They also offer substantial discounts for higher down payments or bulk purchases. We can't publicly disclose specific terms, but bulk investors can get excellent deals there. They've got projects for almost any budget. For example, Ruby in JVC. This is their newest project, currently in the pre-launch stage, so it's the best time to get a great unit. Prices for studios with fully equipped kitchens and smart home systems start at about 190,000 US dollars. Payment plans are standard for Bengati, 70% during construction and 30% on handover. Another one is Bengati Skyrise in Business Bay. It's a higher-end project featuring 3 towers connected by a podium with all the amenities. Studios start from $340,000 and one-bedrooms start from $670,000. Handover is expected in the fourth quarter of 2026, just 2 years away. Bengati also develops properties in the ultra-luxury segment. For example, there is a branded building in collaboration with Mercedes that will feature direct downtown views from every apartment. 2-bedroom apartments start from $2.8 million, 3-bedroom apartments from $5.5 million, and 4-bedroom penthouse is from $9.6 million. The handover date is Q4 2026. Next, Imtiaz. Imtiaz is another vertically integrated company. They handle everything themselves, ensuring high quality and quick delivery. Their unique feature is that all their apartments come fully furnished and fully designed, which is still rare in Dubai. Most properties here have plain white walls. Here is what they offer right now. Quite affordable co-edition in Dubai land. Fully furnished and designed, with some units even featuring jacuzzis on the balconies. Prices start at $170,000 for studios, $250,000 for 1-bedrooms, and $350,000 for 3 bedrooms. Handover is set for 2026 with 2 payment plans: 50-50 with 50% during construction and 50% on handover, and 70-30, 70% during construction and 30% after handover over 3 years. But this option costs more. They also have more high-end projects like Courtier House on Dubai Islands. It's located right in front of a yacht marina and comes with premium furniture and finishes. Prices start at $650,000 for 1-bedrooms, $920,000 for 2 bedrooms, and 3 bedrooms are sold for $1.5 million plus. Imtiaz also offers discounts, around 4-5% for 50% down payment and 8-10% for full upfront payment. Another goal you might have is to create a reliable source of passive income. In this case, the best strategy is to target areas with a high rent-to-price ratio. In affordable segment, GVC and Arjan stand out. These areas offer an average rent-to-price ratio of 7%, and in outstanding projects this can reach up to 9-10%. Ruby by Bengati, which we discussed earlier, is located in GVC and could be an excellent choice. Another affordable area with strong rental potential is GLT. Located next to Dubai Marina, within walking distance to GBR Beach, and with a metro station nearby. GLT is a well-developed area that continues to grow, significantly outperforming the market. The rent-to-price ratio here is also very high. If you're looking to buy a studio or 1-bedroom apartment, you can expect an average ratio of 7.6 to 8%. And for those interested in slightly higher-end properties, Shoba Heartland 2 is worth considering. This new community, located just 15 minutes from downtown, is planned to feature multiple lagoons. They recently launched a new building named Skyview Solaire. A smaller 1-bedroom starts at $350,000 and a bigger one is priced at $580,000, qualifying buyers for a golden visa. However, if your goal is to protect your money from market fluctuations and secure a stable asset regardless of economic conditions, consider the following examples. Pay special attention to 2020, the year of COVID. Here are 2 graphs showing the price per square foot dynamics. While the overall market experienced a decline, these communities remain stable because they're villa communities. Villas are highly desired by families living in Dubai, and families make the best tenants due to their consistent demand. Here are some villa communities across different price segments. First, Shoba Elwood. Located 25-30 minutes from the city center, it offers high-quality buildings. A standout feature is its large gardens and extensive green spaces, including 7 types of forests, a super rare concept in Dubai. All villas come with private swimming pools. Prices start at $2.2 million for 4-bedroom villas and $2.5 million for 5-bedroom villas. Another one is Oasis by MR. This project is in an early stage and features man-made lagoons, artificial beaches, large green areas and a 1.5 million square foot retail zone. All townhouses, villas and mansions will be built around the lagoon. Prices start at $2.5 million and can go up to $5.5 million. And for those looking for luxury, there is the Sanctuary by Ellington. This project offers super high quality villas in Emirates City just 15-20 minutes from downtown. 6-bedroom villas located in front of the artificial lagoons are priced at nearly 11 million US dollars. If you are in the information gathering phase for UAE property investments, we've created an ultimate beginner's guide that answers the 26 most important questions about Dubai real estate. Check it out right here.